Unlock seamless connectivity with Cricket Wireless and activate your eSIM in minutes. First, grab your compatible smartphone and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Head into your device's settings menu, look for the Network and Internet or Connections option, depending on your phone model. Within the network settings, you'll find an option for SIMs, SIM Manager, or Mobile Network. Tap on this to proceed. Now you should see an option to add a SIM, add eSIM, or get a new plan. Select the option that allows you to add an eSIM. This is where the magic happens. Cricket Wireless will provide you with a QR code that you'll need to scan. Make sure you have this QR code ready, either printed out or displayed on another device. Tap Scan QR code on your phone. Position your phone's camera so the QR code is clearly visible within the frame. Your phone will automatically detect and scan the code if scanning isn't an option or doesn't work. You can also choose to enter the activation details manually. Once scanned, your phone will display the Cricket Wireless plan details. Review this information and tap Activate, Add, or Continue to confirm the installation of your eSIM. Your phone will now download and install the eSIM profile. This process typically takes a minute or two. You might see progress indicators on your screen. You're almost there. After the eSIM is installed, you might be prompted to restart your device. For the changes to take full effect, go ahead and restart your phone. Once your phone powers back on, you should see the Cricket Wireless Network signal clearly displayed at the top of your screen. Congratulations! Your Cricket Wireless eSIM is now activated, and you're ready to connect.